Alright guys, what it is, your boy Exia, and I am back. And yes, I have said I'm back in the past, but hear me out though. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Alright, so pretty much a lot has been going on with me in particular. So much, like I said, I want to let you guys behind the veil of what is my life. Of course, I'm still grinding. Always, the work don't stop, the grind don't stop. That's actual facts.
Like that!
But it's a reason why I have not actually been uploading. So before I get into like what's been going on with me, you guys, and like why I haven't been posting, letting you behind the veil that is my life, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. I am doing my best to come back and come back strong. Like this time around, like I said, I want to do like finance, like general, like motivational finance style of place. Let you guys know what I'm thinking, what I'm trying to do, like my portfolios, everything. So like, you gotta subscribe. Hit the button. Just hit it right now. Did you do it? I appreciate you. Thank you. And like the video. Come on now. Don't be that person. Thanks, but no. Stay tuned, guys. Lot coming up. I'm making moves out here. The reason I haven't been uploading this, I'm making mad adjustments to my life. Like I said, my son is getting older. Man's is talking. Man's is active. And again, I want to be like upfront and just let you behind the veil why I really have been posting. My wife works nights.
No! No! No!
So pretty much I would go to work. I drop my son off in the morning. My wife either pick him up or my dad or whoever. And then I just run by their house after work, scoop him up, then I head to the house. But normally I'm getting off like around, 7, 7:30, potentially 8, somewhere in that ballpark. So it's like I leave there, run over here, grab him. Let's say he at my dad's. I gotta chill and talk to Pops. You know what I'm saying? I just can't pull up like, hey, I'm tired, bring him outside. You gotta go see what Pop's doing, right? You gotta chit chat. So if I go see Pops, I'm normally there for about an hour or so. My mom, same difference. If it's somebody else, yeah, I'm in and out. But roughly, I'm not getting home to pretty much 9 o'clock, pushing 10. Pretty much is what I'm trying to say here. And with that happening, daddy duties kick in. Feeding, bathing, playing. And by the time I lay him down somewhere like around 10, 10:30-ish, then I also must bathe, feed, relax. Because it's been a full day. And I just haven't actually had the time to do YouTube. I've been wanting to, just haven't. So it's been a little challenging. It's a good adjustment. Prior, my wife really wasn't working nights, she'll work days, so we'd be home together. I can, hey, watch them for a second, come here and do my thing. And we good. But as of recently, I have not been able to do that. Then on top of, me just adjusting to him being more active now, me watching Paw Patrol like a billion times, and Boss Baby is coming into the, he's coming to his own, and we moved into this house, and it has been nonstop me working on it. Like, I've been working on it. But the best thing about that is the home tour. I finally should be able to record that on Sunday, guys.
Nice.
Guys, so that's gonna be hype to get so you guys can really see what I've been doing for like the past 6 months, and I can just really explain to you guys how much work I put in. So it's like you gotta really think about like dealing with my son and all his shenanigans, and just growing up with him, and then just again when you put him down, it's like, hey, non-stop, let's get this done. I think I did good compared to like some contractors. When I be like listening to people on YouTube and just how long they contractors take, I think I did good. So for any YouTubers out there, I may be starting a contractor business. I'm lying. I will only do it for myself. But I do enjoy it. But it is something that I'm actively going to start trying to do as far as me buying more properties to go in and fix them up. I kind of enjoyed it, but more on that later. But like I said, I have been very busy, and it's kind of hard to juggle doing those 6 to 11 hours a day, 6 days a week, and fixing the house. And I want to make sure I give my son his proper time, because like, hey, his mom's at work at night. We're adjusting to that also. Not a fan, but it is what it is. We have like another year or so before he can get to pre-K, and she doesn't have to work night shifts. Yeah, but it's like, it's a lot of adjusting happening right now, and just, things fall between the cracks. Like I said, I don't like to make excuses, but things do have to fall between the cracks when you're adjusting. And right now, it had to be YouTube. Like I said, YouTube is a fun hobby I do. I don't make money from it, so I just can't, just give it all my attention every day, no matter what, because again, it's not an active, revenue stream for me. Things that make money take priority, and in this case, YouTube wasn't it. So like I said, I've barely been posting, been wanting to, and like I said, I should be back. And the reason I'm coming back now is, like I said, I'm done with the house. So now that time I was putting toward the house, I should be able to put toward the videos. So I should be back in the full swing of things. Well, I don't say full swing. I'm lining up my ankle and my back so I can try to start swinging accurately. You know what I'm saying? But again, I'm back. I do miss it. I do appreciate anybody who still watches my videos. I know they say if you stop posting for a while, the algorithm frowns upon you. But algorithm, I'm sorry. I am. But I'm back. So that's what's really been going on me. It's been a lot of just adjusting to new life. I don't know, man. It's wild, the progress I've made in such a short amount of time. And I don't know, it's like, I think the next couple of years are going to be outrageous. Like, I feel it right here. Like, when I say I feel it right here that a transformation is coming. Like, a new pedestal will be achieved. The boss is like there, and I'm gonna defeat him. He got like 25 HP left. I can feel it. So it's like, I want to start recording more so I can make sure I document more. And yeah, so I hope to bring you guys along. That's why I asked you to hit the subscribe button. But home tour most definitely coming soon. Hope you guys rock with your boy. If not, hey, I understand. It be like this sometimes. But if I could put any message out there, it would be, the work don't stop, the grind don't stop. And when you get to that plateau of comfortability and achieve whatever that goal you set out to achieve, whether it's to pay off debt, whether it's to save money, whether it's to get a car, whatever that thing may be, when you achieve that goal, do not let up. Persevere, continue pushing forward. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. Never stop, never quit, continue to grind. Just because you achieve one goal don't mean you achieved all of them. Keep setting them, keep achieving, and yes, the grind does never stop. The day it stops, what's the point of life? But happy to be back. Subscribe. Home tour coming soon. Let's get it.